Hey, how's it going? I'm just going to do a quick tutorial as to how to change a blinker bulb in the Crf250L. As you can see, the signal light there, it's a bit burnt out. So, blinker and everything still works, but the daytime runner for some reason just doesn't work. Alright, so as you can see, there's a little screw under there. I'll get a little, you can't really see it, but there's a nice little Phillips screw right there. I'll take that bad boy out, right like this. Should come out pretty easy. Might be a little stuck. Oh, where'd that go? Anyway, then after you get that out, this whole thing hinges outwards, or just pops right off. I'm not sure, it depends on the year. Mine's 2020, but hinges out like this. So the bulb itself, it's not just a regular screw bulb. You gotta push it in and turn it downwards, and then it'll pop right out, just like that. So the new bulb here, this is the new bulb. This is the new bulb. You want the same thing but opposite. So you're gonna want to put it in. You're gonna want to push it and turn it upwards. Oh, got it in there wrong. There we go. So you're gonna put it in there, push it, and turn it upwards. Just like that. Make sure it works right quick. Beautiful. Alright. So now you're going to do the same thing. Hook it this end in first, the outside end. Make sure it's in there. Give her a little push. Oh, inside didn't go in there right easy. Sometimes this can be a bit difficult to get that, to get this other end in there. There, yeah, that looks pretty. Nope, not quite. Come on. Oh, she doesn't want to go. There we go. Technical difficulties there a little bit. And then you just throw the screw back in, and happy days. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this helps you with changing your bulb. Have a good one.